This 2019 Forest River Sunseeker MBS 2400W is a Class C RV. It is located in South Weber, Utah, 84405 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2019 Forest River Sunseeker MBS 2400W is built on a Mercedes Benz chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.